Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Angle Grinder. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Makita Angle Grinder. Powerful 15 amp motor delivers 6,600 RPMs to handle the most demanding applications. Rubberized soft grip handle provides increased operator comfort. Number 4. Metabo HPT Angle Grinder. Ensures highly efficient grinding performance with minimal maintenance, with added benefits of reduced tool weight and size. Stops the wheel within seconds when paddle is released. 5 safety features that reduce user fatigue and injury risk. Number 3. TGOON Angle Grinder. This brushless electric angle polisher can provide a powerful driving force. With 2-level switch, one is release and stop, and the second is continuous operation. The handle of the electric angle polisher is very thin and ergonomic, which can reduce grip fatigue. Number 2. Dual Angle Grinder. Maximum depth of cut of 2 inch to 9 by 16 inch at a 90 degree. Maximum depth of cut of 2 inch at a 45 degree. Electric brake stops the blade after the trigger is released. Integrated LED for increased visibility and cut accuracy. Integrated rafter hook for quick and easy storage. Number 1. Milwaukee Cordless Angle Grinder. Bare tool, voltage 18.0 volt. Wheel die 5 inch. Cordless tool battery type Li-ion, brushless motor. Power source, type battery. Item weight, 5.07 pounds.